Have you ever wondered how to unlock the potential of risk and maximize potential returns? Lastly, continuous learning is vital. The financial market is dynamic and ever-changing. Staying informed about market trends and investment strategies will help you make informed decisions. Remember, a well-structured investment plan is your roadmap to financial freedom. The best time to start investing is now. Delaying only means missing out on potential earnings. Consider this: the power of compounding. It's not just your initial investment that grows over time, but also the interest on that investment. This creates a snowball effect, where your wealth can grow faster and faster as time goes on. Waiting for the perfect moment might mean missing growth opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start your investment journey today. Investing may seem daunting, but it's a journey worth embarking on. From understanding the importance of investing, exploring various options, to creating a plan and taking action, it's all essential. Remember, your financial future begins with the first investment you make. Subscribe to our channel for more investment insights. Thanks for watching.